Guys, we're back with the X5. This is Dag will fix it, and what we want to do is we want to fix the broken washer injector or whatever it is, pump that pushes out the injector for the headlights. So that's actually located. You have to remove, firstly let me just say, you have to remove the inner fender, you have to remove the fender and the inner cover. You can see that on the floor over there and the fender over there. There's videos for that. They will be uploaded as well, so they'll show you how to do those. And then we need to get this thing off. This is the actual replace. So we've got a replacement right here. Okay, so this needs to go up there somewhere. Can you see that? So this is the replacement. I'm not sure how to get it in yet, but I'll figure it out. And then we'll be good to go. Okay. All right. Give me a sec. So I've managed to get the old one out. It's basically, it's in like that, and once you push it in, it's stuck. You have to give it a good pull around, and now you can see it's dangling and it's dripping. And what we're going to do is remove this white clip, disconnect it, plug the new one in, slot it up, and hopefully we should be good to go. Okay, give me a second. Now I plugged the new one in. I took the white clip out, and as soon as I disconnected the old one, this one, and you can see the end of it is actually missing. It flew out and it took the plastic cover with it, the black plastic cover with it. But as soon as you disconnect it, the fluid starts to the washer fluid starts to pour out. So quickly plug the new one in and reattach the clip. So you can see me doing this. Now remember, I'm making this up as I go along, alright? I'll be honest with you guys. So after, there you go, clips in. Okay, that should stop it from leaking. And now I need to get this thing back into position. So make sure that this bit is facing upwards, because that's where it will spray out from. And then you just need to get, there's a little, my arm's getting tired. So you see this little clip here, it needs to clip into something to hold it in position, and these will dig in. There's a little groove here, there's a little groove right here, and they'll dig in. So let me just get that sorted. All right, it's in. It's pretty solid. There's no leaks I can see. I'm going to give it a test in a minute. The main thing is that there's a clip here that I showed you. Let me show you to you the old one. Where's the old crappy one? Here. So this little clip here, this little clip has to clip in. There's a little panel there that it has to clip into, okay? You need to make sure you get that in, otherwise it's sitting like that. It needs to be sitting perfectly straight. And then those little clips on the side, which are these will dig in. You can see they've got a little groove right there, yeah? Okay, let me get the zoom in. You see that? So they'll dig in. So I think it's changed. Let's have a look at it on the outside. Yeah, let's have a look at it on the outside. Get up. So now you can see it's there. Let me give it a nice clean. There you go. So when I spray, this should just pop out. Spray this headlight. Yeah. Obviously, I don't have the cover yet. The cover's on order. It should come here. You should come around in a few days, and I'll try and attach it. But the thing is, it's not going to be the right color, so I'll probably have to get it sprayed. You can buy the covers for like £10, but they're primed, but you have to get them sprayed. You can, there are some places on eBay that will spray them for 60 quid, including the cover, so you can give them your body color or your body paint code, and they'll paint it for you and send it to you. The actual pump that I replaced, what did I do with it? The actual pump that I bought, this thing here that we just installed, that costs about 20 to 25 quid, and it's really easy to install. The hardest part is getting the bloody inside wheel arch cover off, and you've got to jack the car up, and then you've got to figure out how many bolts you've got to take off. But that should really be it, I think.